Beneath our feet lies a hidden treasure, a metal that has shaped human history for millennia. From ancient tools to the wiring that powers our modern world, copper has been the silent architect of civilization. But the journey from ore to metal is both massive and intense, a testament to human ingenuity and the raw power of industry. Picture this: a vast open-pit mine, stretching as far as the eye can see. The earth here is a rich, rusty red, scarred by massive machines that crawl like metal insects across its surface. This is where our story begins, in the heart of copper country. Geologists are the first line in this metallic treasure hunt. They scour rugged landscapes, armed with high-tech sensors and age-old instincts. Their quest: to find veins of copper rich or hidden deep within the Earth's crust. These deposits can lie hundreds of meters below the surface, invisible to the naked eye but invaluable to our technological world. As we zoom in, we see teams of experts analyzing rock samples, their eyes glued to screens displaying complex geological data. It's a mix of science and intuition, as they piece together the subterranean puzzle that will lead them to copper's hiding place. But finding copper is just the beginning. Now comes the real show of force. The ground trembles. A deafening roar fills the air. Suddenly, the earth itself seems to explode. This is blasting in action, the first step in freeing copper from its rocky prison. Massive charges of dynamite fracture the hard rock, sending plumes of dust and debris skyward in a controlled chaos. As the dust settles, an army of excavators moves in. These mechanical giants, some as tall as buildings, scoop up tons of fractured rock with each bite of their massive buckets. The air fills with the growl of diesel engines and the screech of metal on stone. Enormous haul trucks, their tires taller than a person, rumble into view. They're loaded to the brim with ore, each one carrying hundreds of tons in a single trip. It's a non-stop conveyor belt of rock, moving from the pit to the processing plant in an endless cycle. At the plant, the real transformation begins. Conveyor belts feed crushed ore into massive grinding mills. The noise is deafening as rocks tumble and collide, slowly being reduced to a fine powder. This is where brute force gives way to chemical precision. The powdered ore is mixed with water and chemicals, creating a slurry that looks like a muddy milkshake. But within this mix, copper is about to reveal itself. Huge flotation tanks bubble and churn, separating copper from other minerals through a delicate balance of chemistry and physics. Now we enter the realm of fire and metal. Smelters, glowing with intense heat, stand ready to purify the copper concentrate. As we watch, a river of molten metal pours from the furnace, its surface shimmering like liquid fire. The air crackles with heat and energy as pure copper is born from the flames. This molten copper, now 99% pure, is poured into molds to cool. The result: massive ingots of reddish-orange metal, each one representing countless tons of ore and immense amounts of energy. But copper's journey is far from over. In factories and mills around the world, these ingots are transformed. We see massive rollers flattening copper into sheets thinner than paper. Elsewhere, machines extrude copper into miles of wire, destined to carry electricity to every corner of the globe. Copper's versatility is on full display. It becomes pipes that bring clean water to our homes, electrical components that power our devices, and even the coins jingling in our pockets. This single metal touches nearly every aspect of modern life. But copper's influence stretches back millennia. We catch glimpses of ancient artifacts, gleaming swords, intricate jewelry, and tools that helped build the first cities. Copper was there at the dawn of civilization, and it continues to shape our world today. Yet this incredible resource comes at a cost. As we pan across the mining landscape, we see the scars left by centuries of extraction. Massive pits gouge the earth, while mountains of waste rock loom on the horizon. Dust hangs in the air, a constant reminder of the environmental challenges posed by large-scale mining. We zoom in on workers, their faces obscured by protective masks and goggles. Mining remains a dangerous profession, with risks ranging from cave-ins to exposure to toxic chemicals. The human toll of our copper addiction is written in the weary faces of those who extract it from the earth. Nearby, we see a different kind of danger. Tailings ponds, vast reservoirs of mining waste, stretch across the landscape. These artificial lakes contain a cocktail of chemicals and heavy metals, a potential threat to local ecosystems if not properly managed. The smelters that purify copper also leave their mark on the environment. Plumes of smoke rise from towering chimneys, carrying sulfur dioxide and other pollutants into the atmosphere. It is a stark reminder of the balance we must strike between our need for resources and our duty to protect the planet. Yet for all its challenges, copper mining remains an essential industry. As night falls, we see city skylines come alive with light. Copper wires carry electricity to countless homes and businesses, powering the devices that connect us to the world. In laboratories and tech companies, we glimpse the future. Scientists work with copper at the nanoscale, developing new materials that could revolutionize electronics and energy storage. Copper's role in renewable energy technologies like solar panels and electric vehicles promises to make it even more crucial in the years to come. As our journey comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for this remarkable metal. From the depths of the earth to the heights of our tallest buildings, copper flows through the veins of our civilization. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a challenge to our stewardship of the planet, and a key to our technological future. The story of copper is far from over. As long as we build, innovate, and strive for progress, this red metal will be there, shaping our world in ways both seen and unseen. From ancient tools to the smart cities of tomorrow, copper remains the silent hero of human advancement, a simple element with an outsized impact on the course of history.